وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. By the night as it conceals, and the day as it reveals, and He who created the male and the female. Your endeavors are diverse. As for him who is charitable and righteous, and confirms goodness, we will facilitate for him the path of ease. But as for him who is stingy and indifferent, and denies goodness, we will facilitate for him the path of difficulty. And his money will not avail him when he plummets. It is upon us to guide. And to us belong the last and the first. I have warned you of a raging fire, which none will enter except the most wretched. He who denies and turns away. But the devout will avoid it. He who gives his wealth to be purified, seeking no favors in return, only seeking the attention of his Lord, the Most High. And He will be pleased.